There we go. Hello YouTube, John Mason here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I've been trying to make a V8 noise for my RC cars. Here. There we go. Now, what I started off with, just this, was rather large and quite clunky. I'll put it here. See? Spins round, makes a clacking noise using pegs and teeth. Now this is geared down. I don't know what it's geared down by, but what I did is I used the power off of the motor to go straight into the power for the sound unit, and it would spin at exactly the same speed as the motor here. And I can demonstrate for you, just give me a moment. Be very careful when working with knives, they are very sharp. Just see that. Done this a few times, so kind of know what I'm doing. The problem was it was so big and heavy, and I'll reposition the camera in a minute to show you my setup, that it made it really top heavy and the truck kept falling over all the time. Right. Shot of that. Try to remote see the zooms. Ha, cool it does. Now see. Tell me that doesn't sound like a V8. But like I was saying, it was just too big. I'll show you what I mean. I'll get the camera off its stand. See, here's my rig. Rear axle, front axle, servo, receiver and all that junk. And the battery goes inside this wee alloy box, so the only place I could really put the sound generator is kind of up here. I'm stretching my cable so I'll put it backwards, is like that. See? Rear axle, front axle, this huge lump of weight up here on top made it absolutely impossible to operate. Drive, it would just fall over as soon as you go over any kind of bump. So I decided on making it smaller. Now I made one earlier on out of a part from an old cassette machine, which I've gone and put somewhere, but I don't know where. Never mind. So what I've got now is this. Oh, this light's doing any good actually. Oh, ran away. Better. Now this is from This is from one of those mail order robots, you know? This is one side of its drive. And it's really highly geared, so I'm not sure what kind of sound I'm going to get out of it. But I shall disconnect this. Get out of the way for now. Oh, getting warm. Remember to switch your gear off when not in use, folks. That's one reason I've taken the wheels off, so it didn't run away with me. That's better. Let me see. Yeah, and I've used this little box I made out of a pizza base. It makes a resonation chamber and it sounds brilliant. If I could find the little one I made, I'll show you. I can't because I can't find it. Yes, I know, dirty workplace, blah blah blah. It should be fine because I actually screwed it down to a piece of wood. Which has now vanished. Never mind. You saw the effect that the big one had, right? And you can see it's what? 7 inches long by 3 high by... And it's heavy. It's a 540 can. The big gearing, and look at that, the bolts hold it together. Heavy, very heavy. So what I'm going to do now is try this. See where it gets me. 6 minutes. I'm going to stop recording just now and I'm going to glue a paddle onto here, like a small version of this, and we'll see where it gets us. If I can find the moat. Here it is. Au revoir. Join me in a minute.